the Earth's atmosphere. So, the atmosphere has changed a lot since the formation of the Earth 4.6 billion years ago. So 4 billion years ago, there was intense volcanic activity which releases a lot of carbon dioxide, a bit like the atmospheres of Mars and Venus today. There's also water vapour, which condenses to form oceans, and there are small proportions of methane and ammonia, but on the whole, there was a lot of carbon dioxide. Okay, and then sort of 3 billion years ago, there was decrease in carbon dioxide and other gases, and there was increase in oxygen and nitrogen. And the decrease in the carbon dioxide levels is because of plants and algae, which evolved, which use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, which decrease the amount of carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide has also decreased because carbon has become locked up in sedimentary rocks like limestone, and also locked up in fossil fuels like coal, crude oil and natural gas. So limestone contains calcium carbonate and can be formed from the shells and the skeletons of sea creatures. And coal is a sedimentary rock formed from plant deposits that were buried and compressed over millions of years. Okay, the decrease of carbon dioxide levels has also reduced because carbon dioxide reacts with seawater, which produced insoluble carbonates that are deposited as sediment, soluble hydrogen carbonates, but the problem is too much carbon dioxide dissolved in the oceans actually harms marine life, and we're seeing as the carbon dioxide levels have increased, coral reefs have become bleached, such as the Great Barrier Reef. There's a lot of coral bleaching. Okay, 2 billion years ago, the green plants and algae evolved and the carbon dioxide is reduced because plants take it in and give out oxygen. Microorganisms that can't cope with oxygen are killed. Carbon from carbon dioxide becomes locked up in sedimentary rocks formed from the shells and skeletons of marine organisms, and other gases react with oxygen to release nitrogen. Nitrogen is also produced by bacteria, removing nitrates from dead plant material. So you can see that carbon dioxide is becoming gradually less. We're starting to see oxygen, and the proportion of nitrogen has increased. So 1 billion years ago, there was a decrease in carbon dioxide, an increase in nitrogen and oxygen. And that brings us to the atmosphere today. So now there's about 20% oxygen and 80% nitrogen. So the most common gas in our atmosphere is actually nitrogen. And the amount of carbon dioxide has decreased significantly to about 0.04%. So the proportions of gases in the atmosphere have been more or less the same for about 200 million years. There might be water vapour present in the atmosphere in varying quantities as well. So that concludes the changes in the Earth's atmosphere.